Hey there, my name is Tobin and I'm a Kaseya consultant at Profile Tech. In this video, we'll be discussing the alarm suspension and how to utilize this feature during known and unknown maintenance periods. Let's get into it. So let's go over to Monitor and Suspend Alarm. The Suspend Alarm function within the Monitor module can be utilized to prevent alarms from generating during maintenance windows, during planned maintenance windows, or unplanned downtimes. Let's say you have a server that has a recurring maintenance window in which it would not be uncommon for the machine to go offline or create alerts based on monitors applied to that machine. You can use Suspend Alarm to schedule a recurring alarm suspension to prevent erroneous alerts from coming to your board, especially useful if you have an on-call crew or a knock. Let's look at the module and let's see how to schedule a recurring suspension. So as we're looking here, you can see that we have a couple different options up top. We have a clear all, add, replace, schedule, cancel. The add is going to create or add in addition to any already configured schedules. The replace is going to replace all existing schedules that are on that machine with the new schedule that you create. The clear all and cancel will both perform the same function. If we select these two machines and let's click schedule to apply a suspension to them, you can see that if we hit cancel, it is removed. If we hit clear all, it is removed. That only affects those machines that you have selected. So let's select the machine in question and let's schedule a recurring maintenance window, a recurring alarm suspension window for this machine to happen every Friday, once a week at 10 p.m. for 2 hours. So we've got you select your year and month first. You select your date, which is going to be the 22nd, as of this video, for Friday. We're going to select 10 p.m. Go ahead and select 0 here. And we're also going to select the run recurring every. And for this, since we want it to be weekly, we're going to say every 7 days. And we're going to suspend the alarms for 120 minutes for 2 hours. Let's go ahead and select schedule. And you can see that we now have a recurring alarm suspension on this machine. 10 p.m. starting on the 22nd of September of 2023 for 120 minutes every 7 days. Now again, when you want to either add or replace, let's look at add first. So let's say we also need a suspension for the Saturday as well at the same time. So make sure we have add selected, select schedule. And now you can see here that we have a second alarm suspension window. Now let's go ahead and I'm going to uncheck that. We're going to select cancel. You can see that it won't do anything because no accounts have been selected. I'm going to select clear all. You'll see that no accounts have been selected. Let's select that window again, or that machine again, and let's click cancel. And that canceled the one that was written for that time. So in here, if you want to cancel only one, select the recurring time that you set, including the proper date and month, select cancel, and that will cancel. If there are multiple on it, select clear all. And now all of them are gone. Another method that you can use for suspending alarms in case of a unplanned downtime is by simply going to the agent, selecting the agent, selecting manage, and selecting suspend. You'll see here that all agent procedures, monitoring, patching, etc. will suspend. Let's go ahead and select suspend. And you will see that there is now a hand. So this red circle with the hand means suspend. Let's select that machine again and let's resume. To resume, simply select the resume button, select yes, and there you go. Thanks for watching our video. We post new videos weekly to share our knowledge of VSA, Automate, and other RMMs. Let us know if there's a particular topic that you would like us to cover. Have a great day.